Hey loves, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today's video is sponsored by Xrsbeauty. They sent me this really pretty curly wig and lots of little goodies with it. The lace on this wig is clear lace, so it's the lace you see on the right, or I guess the lace that you really don't see because of how well it melts into the skin. The lace on the left is regular HD lace, and today we're going to do a nice little glueless application. I'm really excited about this wig because the hair comes pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do much to it at all. This is the perfect wig for beginners. It comes pre-plucked, already bleached, and when I say it's plucked, it's plucked. You really don't have to do much to this wig at all. So I'm just trying it on to see how everything is laying, and I need to cut off a little bit around the ear tabs. So I'm parting out the hair that I need to remove and then just cutting along that part to make sure that I don't cut too much or too little. It's fitting like a glove. I love the way the lace is sitting, and when I tell you, I can already tell this wig is about to lay so perfect. I have a relatively low hairline, so I'm parting out just a little bit of hair in the front to kind of take it back a little bit, and then I'm just going to start to cut the lace in like a zigzag motion. You don't want it to be super straight or too close to the hairline. You want to give a little bit of, wiggle room with the lace. But normally I would have to pluck a lot in the middle just to get that area to blend with the pre-plucked sides, but because this wig is pre-plucked so well, I don't even have to adjust the plucking in the middle. It's just seeping. The wig is melting already, but once we put the product in it, ooh, it's about to slap. I'm putting a little bit of foundation powder on the lace along the front just to make it blend a little bit better with my skin tone. I really want this application to be perfect, really melted and perfect. To install the wig, I'm just using my black even spray. Y'all know I love this stuff. I'm spraying a little bit down, spreading it out, hitting it with my blow dryer until it's slightly tacky, and then I'm just laying the lace down. I like to start in the middle to make sure that the wig is centered, and then I move to the sides from there. And you really want to press that lace into the spray to get it nice and melted. And to kind of help it seep into the skin, I'm applying my elastic band right along the edges, and we're going to let this sit while we style the rest of the hair. So today I'm going for like a deep middle part vibe. I really want it to give like easygoing, soft, layered, curly vibes. So I'm going in with my hot comb to press that part out, and I'm also pressing the hair along the sides, going straight back. I forgot to mention that I pre-washed the hair as well, so that's the reason why it's so fluffy. So I'm just going in and kind of sectioning the hair along the sides and pressing out in sections just so it's not super fluffy and big on the sides and then just flat up top. And for the layers, I'm parting out the hair in the front from the crown of my head to just in front of my ear, and I'm adding some layers, just some cute little face framing layers for a little bit of shape. Nothing super crazy. It just, you know, it gave a little something. And I'm going in with a little bit of foundation to define my part. I really like how this hair looks fluffy. It's really pretty, but I want to go ahead and define the curls a little bit just to see what they give. I'm going in with this Urban Hydration Curl Defining Spray. It's like a leave-in conditioner spray and a little bit of mousse. And I applied it all through half of the hair, and then I'm going in and brushing it out and adding a little bit more product in sections just to make sure that the hair is like defined all throughout. And I'm using my little faux dimming brush to get the curls to kind of clump together and get some really pretty, you know, definition and coils and waves going. And once I have product all throughout the hair, this is what it looks like. The curls are so pretty, and this lace is phenomenal. Literally some of the best lace I've ever tried. Once I let the hair dry, it got really fluffy and pretty, but the curls were still super defined, and I love the way it came out. This is the back. Get into it. Look at all the different little angles, girl, she's giving. This is very much so a everyday wig. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.